We might only have one mic that's actually working right now.
Testes, testes, 1, 2, 3, testes.
So we decided to mix it up. We're doing something a little bit different today. Kim was buying something on Facebook Marketplace, so we got a late start. So we just decided we're gonna try staying local, and we're putting in here at Williams Boat Ramp. There's a little bit of a wait, so we're just kind of waiting here. So, also too, I only got one mic that's working, so we're just waiting our turn here. So I'm all set here. So what we'll do is when we get it, we'll just go ahead and send it. All right, here we go. Game time. She knows what she needs to do. Try to get a little bit closer. You got it, you got it, you got it. All right, there we go. Yeah, and they're bringing them in, and then another boat was going out. Yeah, so this is, we usually don't come here that often. That's probably why. It's like Miami Boat Ramps. So this is Miami Boat Ramps down here. Cool. Hillsborough County.
I'll just jump into his wake and then
Yeah.
can't say I made a wake.
What is that dumpster?
A little tiny can spoon I think?
No, I'm looking at this. Oh no, I'm looking at this that dumpster. It's 2 dumpster boats. Yeah, we are off our game today. Really, we got to a late start. Kim was getting something off of Facebook Marketplace, so we went and picked that up. Decided that we're gonna stay local today. Stay local. I forgot my other camera. Got the drone, and one of the microphones isn't really working. So I'm not sure what its deal is. So I've got it kind of like hanging here on the camera. So hopefully the audio will be somewhat decent. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this AC on and get to it. Peace. Land ho, me hearties, seriously. All right.
This guy.
All right. Probably says no trespassing. That'd be my guess. So we're pulling up this little other island thing. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look on the map. But I see some boats here. They got a tent set up. There's some other people here. Kim wants to look for some driftwood. Fantasy Island is back there. There's a little island there. There's some boats over there chilling. So I don't know what this is. Do you see those signs though? Yeah, just head to the middle and we'll take a look. I wanted to see what that sign said. So how about go closer so I can kind of see what the sign says. What's our depth right now? I mean, they're on the land here, so 3 foot. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to be. Oh, yeah, go reverse. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're not gonna go there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna not do that. Yeah, that's all like rock and oysters, and you're gonna slice your feet up in there. So, yeah, we're out of our comfort zone today. All right, so we're gonna go. All right, how about that? Why don't you pull up? You want to pull up in there, and then I'll get on the ready. So I'll just kind of get in the water, and I can kind of pull us around and adjust us. So we won't stay here long. So if you want to get ready and hop in there.
Yeah.
All right, so there's a hot dog boat over here. This is not Naughty Dog, but somebody else. Let's see how this is and hop in here. Oh, it's Sandy.
Do I need shoes? No?
No, it's Sandy here. I just want to make sure that I'm gonna try to spin us around and that we're gonna be okay here. Okay. Yeah, it's Sandy. You should be good. My feet still hurt though.
I don't want to hear that.
Cool. All right. And I'll just pull this out a smidge. There we go. I don't know what that is. Yeah, there's stuff in the water here. So I'm just pulling the boat out just a smidge more. Oh, they got Cajun boiled peanuts. Cool. All right, all new stuff for us. So she's looking for driftwood. There was a big piece back there.
That way?
Yeah. I'll show. Did you see it, or I'll show it to you? Oh, okay. Cool.
This place has a lot of these cool rocks.
Yeah.
One right there.
Oh, yeah.
If we had the bucket, I could grab that big one.
Yeah. Want me to do it?
Just rinse it off.
Yeah. Okay. I'll rinse it off, and then. Oh, you want me to do those rocks too? All right. Yeah. All right. All right, you gonna come with me? All right.
Yeah, because I'm gonna get shoes.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, isn't it cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
I like that piece.
Smelly wood.
Way far out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a little bit further. Shoot.
Did it catch?
We're good. The boat turned. The boat was over here, and then they're using 2 anchors. I just don't feel like doing the whole 2 anchor deal right now, especially if we're gonna go over to Fantasy Island.
Yeah, as long as we're caught.
Yeah. Oh no, we should be caught. Oh, the boat's still there.
I'm looking for cool wood.
Cool. You looking for some wood? All right, so Kim's looking for some wood.
It's my new hobby.
And
Not shelves, wood.
Wood. All right.
No, I think it's pretty.
Oh, I agree.
Find a good piece. Ooh, those are nice.
Yeah. All right, we're looking for a good piece of wood. Look at this thing. This looks cool. So this big old tree is probably one of those Australian pine trees. And then just after a while, this happens. Oh, that's all you gotta do, baby. Just break yourself off a piece of wood there. Look at all that.
I don't know if I. This is a pretty piece.
Ooh. All right.
Yay.
Yay. Cool. Good job.
That's a pretty piece.
Yeah. He's nice and dry up there.
Oh, that's a cool piece.
Yeah. You might have to break. I would probably break that guy and. That guy in front of it. Yeah. Maybe. You want me to try it? Here, I'll try. Here, hold that and that. Let's see.
There you go. Yeah. I'm not as interested in these long ones as I am this curvy part is pretty.
Okay.
So you can break these off if you want.
Cool. I'll carry this. I'll carry that too.
All right.
Cool. All right. So let's just go ahead. We're gonna head back to the boat and put this on there, folks.
We're gonna head out to Circles, which is in Apollo Beach.
Yeah.
Just grab a little bite to eat.
Yeah. Crispy pork belly. Get some.
It's so good. They have good food, y'all.
They do have good
Not
food.
sponsored.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack it up. We're gonna go to Circles. We're gonna get some food over there. I'm hungry. We got the sandwiches. We're gonna save that. We're gonna chill there, and then we're just gonna go back and
Hop in the pool.
hop in the pool. All right, let's go ahead and get to it.
Cause no one makes me feel the way you do. No one makes me feel the way. No one makes me feel the way. No one makes me feel the way. Cause no one makes me feel the way you do. No one makes me feel the way. No one makes me feel the way. No one makes me feel the way.
This is what we need our backyard to be looking like. So we'll get there. Rome was not built in a day.
Go over, and it just topples the other one, and then they all, everything that's right is black.
Or Steve's first.
Did you hear that?
I saw that crack is rock. Ooh, here comes your drink. Ooh, awesome.
What is creamy spicy
Thank you.
sauce? Creamy spicy
For the
cracked glass.
It's kind of like similar to bang bang sauce. It's like Thai chili base. It's got like a little like sweet kick to it.
Is it creamy? So it has mayonnaise?
Yes.
Cheers. Ooh, look how big that is. That's what she said. This thing's huge. Oh, stop. I was like, what are you doing? Cool. Yeah, she might put it on the bottom. You're hungry.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.